Hello everybody, and today we are back, and we will not be working on the Focus today. Today we will be working on this 2011 Subaru Outback that got hit hard in the front. The frame was twisted far beyond repair, and it even bent the camshaft, keeping this engine from being able to start. This car was bought by a friend who needed parts off of it, and I will be helping disassemble it and stripping it of everything that is left over. So right now what we're going to be doing is disconnecting the last hoses and lines and wiring so this engine will be completely free. Right over there, we still have the shifter linkage. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, I got the linkage disconnected. It just came out from a pin right here. That means that now the engine and transmission should be free. Looking around if there's any wires or hoses. But now we still do have the brake lines to disconnect. Okay, so right now everything should be off of the engine and transmission, so we should be able to pull it out, but we're not going to be doing that today. Right now, I'm going to start pulling apart the rest of the car, starting with all of the doors. So right now I got all the doors off, and I will begin disassembling the rest of this interior, starting with getting all of the seats out, and then I'll probably move on to the dashboard, and eventually I will get the sunroof and headliner. Okay, so I can't get the steering wheel off, so I'm going to save that for last. Okay, it's a couple days later and I am back to disassembling this car, so I will continue on working on the dashboard. Alright guys, so I finally got the engine completely pulled out. Last thing that was holding it in was the steering column that I just had to wiggle out, and the entire thing just dropped down. Alright, the dashboard is all taken apart and I have everything I want out of there. So right now I'm going to be moving on to the headliner. Alright, so the headliner is out. So now I will be taking out the sunroof assembly. Alright guys, so the sunroof is out. It's sitting over here with all the other parts. There's still a few parts in this car, but I am done for today. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and be sure to check out my Instagram at Cookie Repair Projects.